This is the Cornice, but first, let's pause and talk about how we got here. This is Marmot Basin in Jasper, Alberta, a family-friendly mountain that we've been taking our kids to since they were 5 years old. We've skied most of the mountain, including the advanced areas of Eagle East, Tres Hombres, and Charlie's Bowl, but there's one area we haven't dared attempt yet, the area in the top left called Marmot Cirque. Here's a better look at the Cirque. It's hike access only and much more technical and steep than any other advanced and expert terrain at Marmot. As we are into March now, and we can see our season coming to an end, it is time to attempt our first run in the Cirque. The easiest of the bunch is the one on the left called the Cornice. It's accessible by hiking from the Eagle Ridge Chair, past the Thunder Bowl, and up over a snowy cornice of its own over a big ridge. Even the hike is not for the faint of heart, especially the last part over the cornice. With the clouds breaking just enough in the early afternoon, my 8-year-old Finley and I decided to give it a go.
Don't run up there nice and slow to pace yourself. And a long hike, it's up to that second part.
There's a reason for this. There's some meaning to this. We've been out on our own, we've been well
that?
for a while now. Leaving all the news in the new southern style.
Hiked up to the corner, that was a beast of a hike.
There's a reason for this. There's some meaning to this. I know we all grow older. I'm aware that I've been down far. Need a song. Burn out the courtyard older.
Go down.
I'm aware that I've been down far. Need a song. I'm aware that I've been down far. Need a song.
Oh yeah, that's great. You know what? I think right there there's not much of a cornice there. Come on, I'll go first. Go to the cornice. There you go. Thank you. Oh, this I think she means here. Oh yeah, buddy. This snow is awesome. Woohoo! Good job, Fitty. Keep going. Yeah, bro. Cool, eh? How's the powder here? Yeah, bro. Keep going. Going. Oh yeah. Okay, you can lead the way here. We'll just let's go back to the knob chair. We'll go back up to that one here. Maybe for Charlie's bowl. Go ahead. To the knobby. Yep. Oh yeah. All right, buddy. High five. Here we go. That's good. Here we go.